In this video, we'll calculate parallel resistance using the functions HARMEAN and COUNT. So here's the solution. This is HARMEAN, harmonic mean of the dataset from R1 up to R5, divided by count of the dataset from R1 to R5. And again, let's say you start with the values 1. Each resistor has 1 ohms, so the total resistance is 0.2. I change this to 4. I change this to 5. I change this to 10. Change it to 11. Change it to 15. Change this to 8. This completes the use of the functions HARMEAN and COUNT to calculate parallel resistance.